Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Annie. If you've been before, hello, welcome back. If this is your first time, I'm so happy to have you here. So I am ready to say goodbye to winter. It is now late winter going into early spring, and I am here for it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start giving my little garden a spring clean, prepare everything ready to start planting, hopefully some beautiful, colorful flowers. Anyway, I picked up this pack of bulbs, and this is a Peacock orchid pack of bulbs. I really liked the look of this. In here there's 15, and according to the directions to plant these in the UK anyway, it's best to start them indoors because obviously orchids are not originally from the UK or in cold weather. It is advised to therefore start them indoors, which is what I'm going to do. And once they start to germinate, and hopefully by then the weather outdoors will be a bit milder, I can then move them outdoors, and then I guess come winter I'm going to have to bring them back in. And they are meant to flower in summer around August time, so fingers crossed. I've never planted these before. I am hoping that come summer I'm gonna have some lovely peacock orchids to enjoy. The next thing I've picked up is some seeds for jalapeno chili pepper. Again, I've never grown any sort of chilies before. This is going to be my first attempt, and again I'm going to start these indoors. And according to the direction here, you can sow them indoors between January and March. We are now in March, and it is not advised to sow them outdoors. And hopefully by July onwards I'll be harvesting some jalapeno chilies. We will see. So anyway, for these two plants, I've picked up some more of these containers from B&M, and they are £5 each. Last year I picked up a couple of those and I really like them, so I went out for more. Yeah, so let me step outside where I've got everything set up, and I'm going to start planting these. And looking at the sun, it's almost going down now, but hopefully I'll get a chance to finish at least these two plants, and then I'll continue tomorrow. It has been really sunny today, but don't let that fool you. It's been quite chilly. The temperature dropped down yesterday overnight, and it has been chilly. But anyway, let's get on with this. time to clean up. So this concludes my short and sweet video for today. If you are still here watching, thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed going around my little garden, tidying up a little bit at the end of winter, going into early spring. Now, as you can see, just here, I've got my jalapeno seeds that I've just planted, as well as my peacock orchids. I've got all 10 toes and fingers crossed, so do keep yours crossed for me as well. Hopefully soon, very soon, I will have some chilies to enjoy with my meals and beautiful orchids to look at. Now, I hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you are doing and how are you starting to sort out your garden for summer. Anyway, I will say goodbye for now. And in the meantime, like I always say, get out there and do what? Do what you love. Take care of yourselves, and for sure, you will see me in another episode or a couple more episodes where I'll be whizzing around the garden, anyway, other sides of my garden to tidy things over, bring in some new plants, and hopefully come summer, it would be beautiful and very colorful out there. Take care. I will catch you next time. Bye for now. Bye.